We're not perfect, but Maybelline is here to help us be perfect. It's never gonna, don't look at her. There we go. Alright, today we are reviewing the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. Thank you. Guys, to stay hydrated, little message from Adriana. I have so many feelings. I obviously have the color 00. Fair, light, transparent. You don't have to say it like that. Also, it's like a little too dark for me, if you can't really tell. I picked this up because I was looking for a new foundation and I was like, this looks great. That looks amazing. I need to try that. Now, before I jump into what my thoughts are, which are all good things, my friend over there who has a bit of an attitude problem, let's be honest, she's gonna talk about what exactly this is, more information about. I don't really know what she does, actually. Why are you here? You know, you're very rude sometimes. This is the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. It is not good. It cost $13.99 on the Maybelline website. It gives the transformation of 4 products in one step: a primer, concealer, highlighter, and BB cream all in one. Benefits: this do-it-all glowy foundation makeup has everything you need to perfect your look instantly. Available in 5 self-adjusting shades. Turn the color of the applicator and direction of arrows until product is visible on sponge. This may require several turns the first time. Apply directly to face, blend into skin tone. One and done, you're good to glow. It claims a 4-in-1 glow that's got everyone talking. It is water-based. One review says, fine for no makeup look, but bad otherwise. That's the truth of that. I'm sending this back to you. I'm genuinely dumber now that you've spoken. Think so. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for that. Now my thoughts on the Perfector by Maybelline. I hate it. I hate it. It is Streak City. It is water. It is not my jam. It is not my cup of tea. It is not for me. This is not for me. I don't like it. I don't like the formula. I don't know how to blend it. I don't know how anyone could. I used a blending sponge and it didn't work. So I went to my fingers and it rubbed all of the product off. So I'm not here for it. Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. No, not basic Bree poo-poo. Goodbye. It's a no for me, dog. And I don't want to talk about it a lot more than that.